Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can add WhatsApp chat widget in your website or funnel without purchasing WhatsApp business phone number from Go High Level, and you can use your local phone number and your existing phone number here, and you don't need to connect your Facebook account. First of all, I created a funnel here. It's actually imported from Go High Level funnel templates, and then I created this like you can see after clicking here, it's taking us to it's navigating us to WhatsApp. And here's how we can do this. I'm deleting this section, and for the first step I am going to add full width section and then one column row, and then adding an image here. And from where you can get WhatsApp icon, you can search WhatsApp PNG, and then you can download from flat icon and from any other website, and you can upload image here. And I am going to fix its width to 70 pixels, or maybe in 50 pixels, and I am going to align it right and fixed position. For this I am going to use custom CSS here, and I wrote this CSS. You can understand CSS as position is fixed and z index to overlap everything that is in the funnel, and position will be bottom right of 40 pixels. And I am going to add WhatsApp class here, and it's actually done. And then I'm going to save and reload this page, and then you can see WhatsApp image is here and ready to use. And then the next step is we have to include a phone number from where we can navigate our WhatsApp to our chat. And I'm going to add https whatsapp.me and then phone number. Just I added here and open in new tab. I will provide you the everything that I am discussing, like custom CSS and this URL, in my description of this video. And I am going to hit save, and you can reload and check out this PNG. There you go. Open WhatsApp to chat, and feel free to ask me questions, and don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.